Hello, good day to all. Today I'm gonna show you, I want to expand my IKEA display case because I'm running out of, I bought an IKEA, but I'm running out of space on my wall to hang acrylic display cases. Yeah, today also I can show you how my man cave looks like. So these were the first display cases I bought from IKEA. Mostly here are my Nissan collection. I hope I could feature each one of these as we progress. Here I want to put also one IKEA display case. For now, it is occupied by this cupboard. I might transfer this cupboard here on this side if I put my an IKEA Milsbo here, glass cabinet. And because I want to display all my Kyosho's, the Alfa Romeo, the Mercedes-Benz, some of my TLVs that I collected. Some are not yet opened and I want to feature them soon. I also have some here. Here's my mostly are racing champions. I like collecting them. I like collecting American cars. See, most of them belong to the 50s, the 60s. And also here, some JDM cars, Mazda, Mitsubishi. I want to arrange them. Also, they are not yet arranged. As you can see, some Toyotas here. This one, I have to fill this up because some still are in the crates and boxes. Here's my Nissan Skyline family. Batman. I also collect, I like collecting also movie cars. Here's my little workshop where I do some modification. Here's some hot rods here, muscle cars. I have some trophies from recent competition. By the way, I also do some resto mod. I just had the 1995 Mitsubishi Eclipse, which just I sold last April 2021, and it won a best engine display. I also enter in a model, diecast model concourse. My trophy from my Ghostbuster Ecto 1A. It's Days of Thunder, Grease. These are my Carney acrylic cases. They came all the way from the USA. I have to ship them here. These are the Porsche, BMW, McLaren, Aston Martin. Most of them are Kyosho's. This is the Porsche, solid Porsche. Kyosho. Limousines from Mercedes-Benz to Nissan, Cadillac, Rolls-Royces, even Honky. I don't know if you are familiar with Honky brand. It's a Chinese brand. Kit. I also have some car cultures. My Fast and Furious are still in the boxes. They used to be hanging below there, but because of the heat here in Dubai, they sometimes peel off. The hooks are coming off, so I have to improve on them. This is my Lamborghini collection. There are some what you call that? Some Bentley over there. I have to remove them and put them in another case because I still have some Lamborghinis I need to display. See those Euro cars, Jaguar, Bentley. No, it was Bugatti, right? Pagani, Ford GT family, Ford GT40 family, Mercedes-Benz. I like these endurance racers, sports prototype, and of course, this Ferrari family from Kyosho. There, Lancia, history of Formula One, Ferrari. I have some Fast and Furious over there. Still have some in the crates. I still have to bring them out and hang them below these acrylic cases. Ferrari, yes. And of course, my main collection is rigs, which I used to feature a lot. I still have here. I need to show them to you and feature on my channel. Yeah, this is the glass case from IKEA. I brought some additional glass from the glass maker because IKEA don't have, well, this glass case only comes with the 3 shelves, 1, 2, 3, so that makes only 1, 2, 3, 4 usable spaces. And this is the latest one I acquired, and upon acquiring, I ordered some glasses. See now I have about usable space of so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right now, those are my military collection. The F-14 Tomcat, one of my most favorite aircraft of all fighter aircraft from Corgi. It is 1/64 scale. Corgi 1/64 Apache. All of these are 64 scale. Yeah, as the name implies, the 64 collector. Yeah. My firehouse, which I asked some architect guy to make it for me. This one is modular. I can break it down, and these are all held by magnets. This is my Ecto 1, custom Ecto 1. I hope to feature them all. 3D printed the figures. This one was given to me by a collector. This one lights up when you press this bow tie. It lights up red. And Simpson. My computer, that's my car, red 1995 Mitsubishi Eclipse. Some more of my collection there. There's 4x4s. I haven't opened them. Soon to have an unboxing. Yeah. Those are my rigs. Of course, we collect Hot Wheels. This is the one I completed. I tried to complete the mud props. It's one of the most expensive. This next Pepsi from Japan. And of course, my 100% sets. I hope I could feature them also. I also collect super robots. I grew up with them, Voltes 5, Dymos, Mazinger Z. I also have some books about Hot Wheels. Also the Japanese version I have. It's great to see, when you have some collection and you see them here, you feel, I don't know. You feel in ecstasy when you see it, right? So that's it. I have to work on this. Then I'll show it to you when I have time and time permits. I'll see you next time again and work on this. Thank you guys for watching.